Welcome to the IELTS Secrets podcast, where we unravel the mysteries of mastering the IELTS exam. I'm your host, Neil, an IELTS instructor from New Zealand dedicated to helping you ace your speaking and writing sections. Today's topic is parks, and we will explore 4 questions that might pop up in your IELTS speaking test. Question 1. Do you visit parks? Why? Using a speaking template is crucial for organizing your thoughts effectively. Here is a template for this question. I most certainly enjoy visiting parks for 2 reasons. Firstly, for example. Secondly, for instance. Now let's listen to a Band 9 response.
Do you visit parks?
I most certainly enjoy visiting parks for 2 reasons. Firstly, they provide a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. For example, when I stroll through the lush greenery and hear the birds chirping, it instantly rejuvenates my spirit. Secondly, parks offer a space for recreational activities such as picnics and sports. For instance, I often play frisbee with my friends, which not only strengthens our bond but also promotes a healthy lifestyle.
Now let's analyze question 2. Do you think parks are important for towns and cities? Why? Here is the speaking template. While some people think that, I strongly believe that. The best example would be thus. Now let's listen to a Band 9 response.
Do you think parks are important for towns and cities?
While some people think that parks are merely recreational spaces, I strongly believe that they are essential for the well-being of towns and cities. The best example would be their contribution to mental health, because parks offer a serene environment where individuals can unwind and alleviate stress, ultimately fostering a happier and healthier community.
Question 3. Do you think that parks should be free or that people should pay to use them? Here is the speaking template. I would assume that parks should be free only for those who, however, those who should be expected to. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response.
Do you think that parks should be free or that people should pay to use them?
I would assume that parks should be free only for those who reside in the local area. However, those who visit from outside should be expected to contribute a small fee towards maintenance and preservation. This ensures that the burden of upkeep is shared fairly among all users, while still allowing locals to enjoy their neighborhood parks free of charge.
Question 4. What are some of the disadvantages of parks in a town or city? Here is the speaking template. I believe the biggest drawback of having parks in a city would be, for example, in addition to this. Now, let's listen to a Band 9 response.
What are some of the disadvantages of parks in a town or city?
I believe the biggest drawback of having parks in a city would be the potential for vandalism and littering. For example, irresponsible individuals may damage park facilities or leave behind trash, tarnishing the natural beauty of the environment. In addition to this, overcrowding during peak hours can diminish the peaceful ambience that parks are intended to provide, making it less enjoyable for visitors seeking tranquility.
Dear IELTS candidates, remember to practice using these templates to structure your responses effectively. Send your audio recordings to our website for expert evaluation and personalized feedback. Keep mastering those speaking skills, and I'll see you in the next episode of the IELTS Secrets podcast.